Huli, tapos...
Hello, I am Kamel Marie Prudenciado from VSIT 3D, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Microsoft Windows Calculator. I'm going to show you how to copy calculations made on the Windows Calculator and paste the results into a Notepad document. As you can see, Notepad is open on the left and the calculator is on the right side. For this demonstration, let's just perform a simple subtraction problem. Enter the current year. So the current year is 2017. Then subtract it the year you were born. So I was born on 1997. And I will click equals. Then the answer is 20. And this 20 is my age now. With the number visible in the display, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy this number. So Ctrl C. Then click over in the Notepad document and press Ctrl and V to paste the number. So this is the Notepad. So Ctrl V. So as you can see, I made it. This is the quick and easy way to transfer calculations from the Windows Calculator to another application on your computer. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.